That is what it looks like. You guys can kind of see. What is up, you guys? Welcome back to another one of my videos. In today's video, we are doing another unboxing. As you can see from the title of the video, we are doing another Coach unboxing. So here I have the box. It is rather big. I am going to go ahead and open it and show you guys what I have here. I ordered something from the Coach Reserve, and I wanted the bag when I saw it come out, and I'm glad I waited because I found it on the Coach Reserve website, and that's where I saw it. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys what I have here in this box. So here I have my little blade here. The box looks like this, and that is what it looks like. You guys can kind of see what I have in there. I have here this beautiful bag. It is fully packaged, fully factory packaged. And this is what the back here looks like, and then the side, and then this is the front here. I really like when I order from the Coach outlet that they go ahead and package their items really nice, as you can see here. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys the item. I'm gonna go ahead and do the unwrapping of the bag. Alright, you guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and talk to you guys a little bit about the wrapping of this bag. Is actually a little different. I've never really seen this kind of material packaged or used as packaging. I noticed it when I took the one off from the little Coach little hang tag here, and it is not any sort of like plastic or kind of like this material that they use for everything else. It is different. It is almost like a felt material, almost like cloth. It feels really soft. It almost feels kind of like a little dust bag. So it's really soft, and I don't know if this is because they did it for this specific style of the bag, but it's a really nice sturdy packaging, and I'm assuming they do it because it's protecting the bag more or something, but it is a really different packaging. I have never really seen this, so yeah, it's even hard to take out the tape. It's even hard to take out the tape because it is sort of like a cloth material here. So enough with the unpackaging. Let's go ahead and see the item. All right, so here is the reveal. Wow. Do you guys see that? It is beautiful. It is gorgeous. Oh my gosh. All right, so this is the bag that I ordered from the Coach Reserve site, and wow, Wow, so it is really, really, really smooth. I love the colors. So this is the bag here. It is the ombre pillow tabby 26 in the petunia multi. So I believe this is the petunia color here, and then it ombres, it like fades into, you know, this beautiful almost like coral, then like orangey color. It's a beautiful, beautiful bag. It is very it almost resembles like a sunset, you know, like that beautiful sunset sky that you see. And then you have here the Coach C. So this is the front of the bag, this is the bottom, and then you have here the back of the bag. The shine of the bag, it's so shiny and it feels so soft, like so smooth. It just feels, I guess the shine of the bag, it makes it like you can feel it. You can feel how smooth, almost like plastic in a way, but like a smooth surface. So it feels really, really nice. Do you guys see the glistening of the bag? That is just the way that it looks. It is the way that it feels. Like the glisten that the bag has, you can almost like, you know, slide your hand really easily. It is just super smooth. And yeah, that is just really, really nice. I really like the whole ombre effect of the bag. I like the, obviously I love pink, and I do like that it comes in like different shades of pink, but it also adds that really cute, really cool element with the orangey, and it's just a very unique item to have when you have an ombre purse. You know, that to me, that is how I see it. It's just a very unique bag. I don't see this very often being done, so for me this is just a really, really cute, really cool, unique purse or statement bag. And so with that, you have here the hang tag, and this is the Coach hang tag, and it is also in the ombre. It looks beautiful. And this is the back, and this is a closer look of the C here, of the Coach C, that is very utilized in the pillow tabbies. I do see it a bit wrinkled from the front. I don't know if you guys can see here the top, but I did see other videos on this bag, and I did hear that because of the really glossy feel to it, it does have these little natural rippling effect here on the leather, but it's not that bad. Like, it looks really, really nice. I mean, if you're like really in detail looking at it, then you can see it. Otherwise, you won't really spot it from, you know, far. But yeah, this is what the bottom of the bag looks like. This is the side of the bag, and then this is the other side. This is a crossbody strap, and the strap as well is an ombre effect. So here you have, it starts off with the orange, kind of moves into a pink, you know, the petunia color, a darker pink, a lighter pink. And of course, as you can see, the hardware is a brass. And then here are the clips of the bag, and these as well are brass. So I think the strap is really pretty. This is the thickness of the strap here. This is pretty thick. It would be, you know, nice and comfortable to carry it on. This is how it would look if I would carry it crossbody. It is adjustable as well, so you can go ahead and adjust it to your liking. Alright, so we have here the other strap that is the top handle part of the bag, and this is what that looks like, and it is so beautiful. It is also in that really pretty ombre look, so this is so pretty. It is also pillowy, just like the bag, as you can see. And then you have here the clips, which are also in the brass color. And you can see if you can see there, it says the Coach, there you go, Coach on there engraved. So really, really nice. This is what it looks like when you open it up. Here it has the stuffing inside. All the packaging is still in there. So let's go ahead and remove that. With its dust bag, as it should be, because it is a Coach retail item. And so yeah, so this is what the inside of the bag looks like. Here you have beautiful lighter pink inside. There you go. And then you have here the compartments inside. You have one compartment, two compartments, and then you have the middle zipper. So essentially you have three compartments here, and that is what the inside of the zipper pocket looks like. And so yeah, it is really, really not super spacious, but a really nice size that you can fit your phone, and you can fit, you know, I have the iPhone 13 Pro Plus Max, I don't know, whatever, the biggest phone they have. And that phone fits perfectly well inside the bag. So I think it is really a nice, beautiful bag. It has just the right amount of space that you would need for your essential items. Of course, you can't overpack it with things, but it is very nice, and you can carry quite a few things because it does have these separate compartments here. And I really like that they added the zipper compartment here, so you can, you know, like a little organizer type of thing for your bag. It's not just one big hole inside your bag. So that's pretty cool. So that is what the inside looks like. This is the magnetic closure here of the bag. It is very, very plushy. This is the first time that I have a pillow tabby, so I am feeling this for the first time, and it just feels so nice. It is super fluffy, and it is just this one in particular is very smooth. All right, you guys, so I went ahead and added the strap here, the top handle part of this bag, and this is what it looks like. So I think it looks so pretty with the strap. I personally like it like this. I'm not sure if I would be using it crossbody, but obviously it is a nice option that you get to carry it with this shorter strap, or if you want to carry it with the crossbody, you can carry it like that as well. I think it is such a gorgeous bag. I think it is a very, very unique statement bag. I think it is a perfect bag for the summer. You can also carry it in the spring. I think you can even make it work in the fall and winter, maybe in the fall, because it has this orange color here. I mean, if you're wearing the right, you know, colors, and you just have this as a pop of color, it can work. But definitely it does scream a summer bag here. And I just think it is a very gorgeous bag. I love the hang tag. I love that it's a very big hang tag. Like, it's huge compared to any other hang tags that I've had in my other previous bags. And this hang tag, it is not just huge, but it is fluffy and pillowy. Gives it a separate, like, it just gives it a little like to to the bag. You know, it makes it more of a statement on there, and it's just like a little accessory that the bag has, and it just makes sense because it's a pillow bag. So it looks like a cute little pillow hanging from your bag. This is what the bag looks like with the crossbody strap here, and you can either let this hang in the front, or you can bring it towards the bag if you want to, towards the back of the purse, and then you can carry it that way. Or you can go ahead and remove this strap if you just want to carry it with a longer strap. Carry it either on your shoulder, or just carry it, you know, like top handle, or on the crook of your arm. I mean, you have many options. So now I'm gonna go ahead and do a close-up of the bag so you guys can see it more in detail. You can see the leather. This is what the dust bag here looks like. It is a pretty small dust bag. It is this sort of matte color or feel here. It looks super bright. There you go. So this is what the inside of the dust bag looks like. Very satin feel, and then the outside is more of a rougher, more matte looking, and this is more of a shiny inside to protect the bag. You know, it's nice and shiny and soft on the inside, and then it's rougher on the outside to protect the bag. The purse here, it retails for $550, as you can see on the tag there. I got it for $220 in the Coach outlet website. So yeah, you guys, that is what the bag looks like. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys enjoyed looking at this beautiful sunset bag, and I am just very, very happy that I get to have a pillow tabby, and it is a beautiful pillow tabby. All right, you guys, if you have not done so, please don't forget to subscribe down below. Please hit the bell notification so you can be notified when I post another one of my videos. And go ahead and comment, like my video if you like this video. And yeah, just go ahead and subscribe to this channel so we can go ahead and grow the family. See you guys in my next video. Bye.